Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. I quickly want to show you this so that you can actually be aware of what is going on in the crypto market. Federal government has been taking things into their hand, and they actually want to ban crypto Binance. So as of yesterday, I actually saw an update. Wanted to post it here, but I did not have enough chance to do that. So I really want to use this time before I go and do whatever I was still doing yesterday. So I want to use this medium to post this video here so that everybody can quickly go and do it. So but before I jump into this update, I am Crypto 001. What I do in this channel is I promote updates that brings you money, any update that will bring you favor, such as exchanges arbitrage, triangular arbitrage, spot trading, um anything about crypto. So guys, if you are interested in the kind of update that I drop here, please do well to like and subscribe to my videos. Okay, without wasting much time, let's dive into the video. So I'm going to show you this thing really quick so that I can go to whatever I was still doing. So guys, let's navigate to our thread here to actually see what is going on, or for you to actually see for yourself. You can actually see for yourself that on the 7th March 2024, by so time, I think it's by 4 o'clock, that NGN Pay will be delisted from all the pairs. That like they will not be able to trade. What this means that is that you will not be able to trade USDT for NGN or NGN for USDT. Any currency that NGN has been paid to will be delisted. So you will not be able to use NGN and trade for that coin anymore, since NGN is going to be delisted from this platform. So I would advise you guys to right now go and convert your money into USDT, or better still, you find a way and withdraw it. I would advise you guys to go and convert your money to USDT, and then you withdraw it through wallet address to another crypto exchange, such as you can use Bybit, KuCoin, or OKX. There are a lot of cool platform, but I would advise you to go with Bybit or KuCoin. So you can actually do that right now, or OKX, those three exchanges right now. You can actually jump into the video right. If you are watching this video, actually do it, implement this strategy so that quickly withdraw your money to another exchange. So then you stay tuned to receive new updates, because any update I see, I'll always bring it here to you. Just be coming down, okay? Everything is going to come back to an end. So stay tuned. I'll always come here to drop new updates for you guys, okay? Don't panic. We are still going to find our way out, okay? So if I have helped you for this update that I have just bring to you right now, please do well to subscribe, like and share my video, please.